Hi everyone, this is 12 in the morning and right now I'm going to revise pathology. बहुत सारे लोग जो मेरे व्यूअर्स उनको पता ही है कि मैंने पैथोलॉजी की क्लास ली थी. So that I am going to revise the whole pathology in one day. Probably I will do that, I hope. And yes, I have done the cell injury part. Now I'm starting with the inflammation. So let's start. I have some videos also. I will be watching that also because थोड़ा हेल्प मिल जाएगा उससे. अगर कुछ भूला होगा तो वो easy हो जाएगा. So yes, I can show you the videos.
So here is the video lecture. It is taught by Dr. Ashish on his channel, that is Integrated Learning, as you can see. So there are basically 4 videos. The first video is about cell injury, the second video is about inflammation, the third video is about neoplasia genetics, and the fourth video is about hematology. And now, with taking a deep breath, I am going to start my pathology revision. So I started with apoptosis, its 2 pathways, then its markers, and then kept on going with some more basic points or the topics like necroptosis, pyroptosis, intracellular accumulation, cellular events of the inflammation and its mediators, and then granulomas. Here I want to add one more thing, that these videos are more based on MCI exam. So if you want to do quick revision, then you can surely go with this. But if you want a deep knowledge in this pathology, then I would suggest you to go with prep ladder or marrow. Now, during my revision, I got a thought that this way of revising patho is helping me a lot, because it's not just saving my time but also helping me to recall every single thing that my teacher taught me in the class. With this, I am at the end of inflammation chapter, and now I am moving towards the neoplasia. I changed my place because my family was planning for lunch, but I want to complete this chapter. So I shifted here and continued my study.
ओके, सो आई हैव कंप्लीटेड द न्यू प्लेस वाला सेक्शन. अब इसके बाद सर ने बहुत ज़्यादा डीप में नहीं पढ़ाया. सो उसको एक बार और मुझे अपने नोट्स से पढ़ना पड़ेगा बिकॉज फोटो हमको जीन्स वगैरह करवाया तो सही, बट उतना अच्छे से नहीं बताया. फिर मैं अभी एक बार बुक अपने नोटबुक से रिवाइज़ करूँगी उसको, एंड देन आई विल स्टार्ट विद द जेनेटिक्स. बहुत छोटा सेक्शन था, 20 मिनट्स का, मतलब 40 मिनट्स का उनके हिसाब से था, बट मेरे हिसाब से 20 मिनट 25 मिनट्स का था. सो जल्दी जल्दी वो कर लिया मैंने. अब जाती हूँ मैं लंच करने. Now I have done my lunch and took a nap of 20 minutes, but then came to know about that my brother is COVID positive, and I really don't know what to say about it. But me and my family members are also planning to go for RT-PCR. So let's see what happens.
Here you can easily see the level of stress on my face, not just because I have to complete my revision, but also I am going to get my COVID reports today. Anyway, I started my struggle with hematology, that again are taught with very basic level, although he didn't cover platelet and WBC disorders and also the systemic pathology. So I decided to revise all these from my notes. Meanwhile, I checked the systemic pathology in Robbins, and I really don't find it more interesting than in Hirschmohn's. So for general pathology, I will be reading Robbins, and for systemic pathology, I will go for Hirschmohn. But it was not possible for me to complete the whole book same day, so I stick to my notes. So at the end, if you are wondering for my COVID reports, then yes, it came out positive. But no need to worry, because I am editing this video after getting fully recovered. So thank you so much for watching this video. I will meet you next time. Till then, take care, be safe, and wear mask.